Mula sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, ipinakilala na ang mga kandidatang maglalaban-laban para maging susunod na Miss Philippines Earth 2017. Kilalanin sila sa chika ni Lars Santiago.
Hinati sa iba't ibang rehiyon ang pagpapakilala sa 40 kandidata ng Miss Philippines Earth 2017 sa press presentation kanina. Isa-isang nagpakilala ang mga kalahok mula sa North Luzon, South Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at National Capital Region suot ang kanilang swimsuit.
I am Princess Marcy Nicolas, 18 from the province of Tarlac.
Kanina, pinangalanan ang mga darling of the press. Nagwagi ng gold medal ang pambato ng Pulilan, Bulacan na si Samantha Victoria Acosta. Silver naman ang kay Miss Olongapo Kim de Guzman. Nagtay sa bronze sina Catherine Tabanyag ng Panglao, Bohol at si Ann Cricia Antonio ng Porac, Pampanga.
I was really honored because I was given the opportunity to be able to speak in front of the in front of the press so that I can further promote my advocacy.
Kamakailan naman ay tumanggap ng negatibong reaksyon mula sa netizens at pageant watchers ang ginawang pagkapasuot ng itim na belo sa mga kandidata ng ganapin ng swimsuit portion sa idinaos na pre-judging.
It's form and figure, it's different from what we do now. So yun, open-minded naman kami lahat doon and nothing bad about it. It was just right, I think, that we were wearing veils. It was innovative and they wanted to avoid biased judgments.
It's fair and equal. There's nothing to worry about because it's all about the body, not just about the face.
Gaganapin ang Miss Philippines Earth 2017 Grand Coronation Night sa July 15 sa MOA Arena. Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz Happening.